Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to withdraw money from Webull to bank account. So to get started with a straightforward and the beginner guide on how you can easily withdraw money from Webull to bank accounts, and make sure you turn on the notification button because it actually helps me out. So to get started with the guide. So to get started with your first step is to make sure funds are settled. So to get to know that, after selling stocks, wait for one business day, then for funds to be settled. Then if you recently deposit money via ACH, wait for full business day before you can withdraw. Then the step 2, you have to link your bank account if not done already. So to link your bank account, open your Webull app, then tap the Webull logo. Then from there, hit the transfer buttons, then click on withdraw. Then from there, tap add bank account and follow the steps. Then you will need to upload a bank statement, which is with your name and bank account information. Then on step 3, you have to withdraw funds. So to do this, go to transfer, then click on withdraw, then select your bank account. Then from there, enter the amount you want to withdraw, then tap on confirm. Then the step 4, you have to wait for the transfer. So ACH free arrival is 1 to 3 business days, and the wire transfer paid arrives in 1 business day, but costs between $25 to $45. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.